A strong negotiator is a huge asset in business. Think of a time when you've convinced a business partner to collaborate and it's resulted in business success. That was a result of your behaviors. But executives tell us they want more, they want to be able to take their skills higher, they want better business outcomes. So at Sasin, we've designed Successful Negotiations as a course that will help you go to that next level. We have very dynamic case studies, exercises, a lot of role plays. It's a course that's all about doing. So what you'll find if you join us is that the focus is on the long term, on really negotiating win-win for everyone, because ultimately a good negotiator isn't just negotiating a transaction. A good negotiator is negotiating a relationship.